What an incredible story unfolding in the world of tennis. Have you heard about Blaise Bicknell? This young Jamaican star is absolutely lighting up the court, and his recent victory is something you don't want to miss. Just a few weeks ago, he was ranked outside the top 400. Now, he skyrocketed into the top 300, a career high that has everyone talking. It all went down at the ATP Challenger 75 tournament in Sarasota, Florida. Imagine this. Bicknell, an unseeded player, battled his way through the qualifying rounds just to get into the main draw. He faced opponent after opponent, showing incredible grit and determination. In the final, he went up against the formidable Tennis Sandgren, a former top 50 player. It was an epic three-set showdown that had fans on the edge of their seats. The match was a true nail-biter. After splitting the first two sets, it all came down to a tense final set. Bicknell, with the heart of a champion, dug deep and clinched the victory. This wasn't just any win. It was his first ever ATP Challenger title. The emotion on his face as he won the final point was just priceless. It's a testament to his hard work, dedication, and the years of training he's put in. This victory is a massive milestone for Jamaican tennis. Bicknell is following in the footsteps of the legendary Dustin Brown, carrying the flag with pride and inspiring a whole new generation of players back home. His journey from a promising college player at the University of Florida to a challenger champion is the kind of underdog story we all love to see in sports. So, what's next for Blaise Bicknell? With this win, he's not just getting a trophy and prize money. He's gaining crucial ranking points that open doors to bigger tournaments. We could be seeing him compete on the grandest stages of tennis very soon. His aggressive baseline game and fighting spirit make him a player to watch. This is more than just a win, it's a statement. Blaise Bicknell has arrived, and he's ready to take on the world. What a thrilling moment for him, and for the sport. Let's all keep an eye on this rising star. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more amazing tennis stories.